Hello everyone. Welcome to KSR Data Vision. Myself SI Babu. Today I am going to explore about Power BI scenario based interview question. So let's jump into the Power BI desktop. If you see, today I am going to talk about page level security. So this is very important question for interviews and for real time also. So how we can implement page level security in Power BI? You heard about row level security, object level security. So row level security and object level securities are different things, and this page level security is different one. So we will see how we can implement this. First, I'll set up context. So here, actually, let me show you my report. So if you see, this is my Tata new sales report. So this is the orders table and this is the orders breakdown table. So now let's say here, let me see how many regions are there, how many countries are there. If you see here, this is, let me set it to count distinct. So the regions are three. Okay, in the same way I can check country. Let me remove this and I can drag country and I will select count distinct. Okay, 15 countries and 3 regions are there. Okay, so now I'll tell you what I am going to do. So let me open on Excel. So here, if you see in my Power BI report, I have this many pages. Okay, I have overall 19 pages. So one is overview page, 3 is region pages, and remaining 15 is country pages, different country pages. So let me walk you through this. First, overview page. I want to restrict only overview page able to see only Mahesh because he is the client. So remaining Santos and Suresh will not be able to see overview page because it will have all the detail. And while coming to the region, for this three regions, central, north, south, Santosh is the manager. So I'll grant access to only Santosh. And Santosh will not be able to view overview page and as well as country pages. Okay. And next, while coming to this 15 countries, this 15 countries manager is Suresh. So Suresh will be able to see only this 15 countries pages, and I will restrict Suresh to don't want to see this regions and overview page. So I hope you are clear. So this is the context. Mahesh is only able to view overview page and Santosh is able to view only regions page and Suresh is able to view only country pages. Okay, now let me jump into the Power BI desktop. So now if you see, first I'll explain here what I did. So in Power BI desktop, this is overview performance. Overview performance means it will have all the details. Okay. And while coming to the central region, so central region, what I did in the filters on top of this report, I applied a page level filter. What I applied a page level filter. So the report look like same, but the numbers are different. Okay. Please keep in mind that. Okay. So this is how I created and I properly renamed each and every tab in the Power BI. So now already I explained my requirement. So now let's start implementation. So in this first what we will do, so go to modeling. Okay, first we need to create a role. Go to modeling in the ribbon bar. Here there is an option called modeling. Click on this modeling and here you will be seeing lot of options in this. Under the security section, in the security section we have two options, manage roles and view as. So click on this manage roles. See, while on hovering it is showing that create, change or delete security roles. So just click on this manage roles. Once you click on here, this window will appear. So here what you need to do, just here there is option called roles. So click on new. Okay, click on new. Once if you click on new, here it will show what are the tables available in this report. So here list of orders, orders breakdown and page access TB. Okay, so page access TB. So whatever I shown in this Excel, you please load into this Power BI desktop. So the same table I loaded page access TB here. Okay, let me show that to you once. I'll close this. Don't save. Here if I go to table view, here the same table I loaded here. Okay, with along whatever the page names here I mentioned, please make sure the same page name should be here. no more spaces, no more commas, no more camel cases, no more small cases. Okay, exactly, it will be mapped to same. Okay, this is. Now let me go to manage roles. In this roles, click on new. Once if you click on here, the three table is displaying. Just click on this page access TB. So here we have a option. We can, by clicking this from here also we can select it, or else we can go with DAX editor also. So what I will do, I will switch to DAX editor. So if once I switch to DAX editor, click on this three dots. So from here, okay, it is not coming. Let's enter manually. What we have email. Just type email, user email. See, already it is showing page access to be user email ID. Just select this, and it is equal to user principal name. There is a DAX function called user principal name. So just, sorry, not user relationship, user principal name. So you can select this user principal name. What it will do, user principal name, we are mapping email id with this user principal. So after publishing this report into the services, so for example Mahesh is logging with his email id, automatically that email id will be captured here. What it will do, automatically that email id will capture here. Okay, now we created this one, and click on this tick mark. So everything is ready. And one more thing, here you can give proper name. Double click on this. I am giving you page level security shortcut. Okay, page level security. I renamed the role name as a PLS, page level security. I written this DAX code, and everything is okay. Just click on save. Okay, once if you click on save, the role is created. Okay, the role is created. Just close. Now along with these pages, you can create one more page called home page. Okay, I'll tell you why this home page is required. Okay, first point. So in the home page, what we will do, we will select a slicer. Okay, we will select a slicer. We will select a slicer. In the slicer, what we will do, we will drag page name. Okay, we will drag page name. So here we are getting all the page names. And as well as what I will do, I'll take one table. So I'll take one table, and in the table I'll drag page name, and I'll drag user email id. I'll adjust it. I'll drag page name. Now what we will do, test this RLS role. Okay, test this RLS role. So click on modeling. Okay, so go to this security section. In the security section, now we will click on view as. Okay, just click on view as. Okay, once if we click on view as, it will pop up one window. In the window, just click other user, and we created this page level security. Select this page level security. Now what I'll do, I'll go to here. So I'll copy this Mahesh, and I'll paste it here. Just click OK. Okay, so if I click Mahesh email ID, if you see now viewing as PLS Mahesh, so automatically it is filtered to overview page. Okay, automatically it is filtered to overview page. So stop viewing. Now my intention is bringing this home pages. We will hide all these pages, and we will kept this page only. Okay, we will hide all these pages, and we will kept only this page. Okay, so whoever is user logging in this report in Power BI services, they will be able to see only this page. So from this page, they will choose their whatever the respective page, and they will go there. So for navigating that, we need to implement a action here. Action means we need to implement a button. So for this, what we will do, go to this insert. So in the insert, in the button section, just select this arrow. Okay, so select this arrow. So what I'll do, I'll drag here, and I'll make some bigger. So this is okay. So here what we will do, so click on this action. Once if you select, the formatting button options will be there. Here turn on this action. Turn on this action. So here what you need to do in the action, so what is our requirement? Whenever we click, it will navigate to the respective page. So here select page navigation. Here lot of options there. Just select page navigation. Once if we select page navigation, if we want we can do it hard coding. So whatever the page we can select, but I don't want to do hard coding. My requirement is whenever the user logged into the services, according to their role, they can see only respective pages. After selecting that respective page, if they click on this page navigation button, they will navigate to that page. For that, what we will do, we need to set it as a dynamic. For that, we will apply conditional formatting. Just click on this fx. Once if you click on this effect, here just keep it field value. In this one, click on this drop down. In the all the data, in page access, select page name. Okay, what? Select page name. So if we select page name, just click on OK. So now here it is conditional formatting applied. We will provide a tooltip. Click here to go page. Now if I on hover, it can show click here to go page. Click here to, sorry, click here to view page. Hmm. Click here to view page. So now everything is set up. So before publishing this into services, we can hide all these pages. Why we want to hide these all pages? So if we don't want to hide this all pages, it will be visible in the side window bar. Okay, I'll do one thing. Let me show that to you. So let me show that to you. So before that, I'll go to services. So in the services, already I created a one workspace called page level security workspace. What? Page level security workspace. So I am the admin of this workspace. So I created one workspace. So in this, what I'll do first, already I granted access to all these three peoples, Mahesh, Santosh and Suresh as a viewer. Okay, already I granted this. So now what I will do, I will publish this report to this workspace. So click on publish. Click on publish. Okay, so if once I click on publish, it is saving. Now I'll select page level workspace. This is our workspace, this is not. Okay, so it is publishing. So it is taking a bit time. We'll wait for 1 more minute. So now sales report is published to workspace. Got it. Now I'll go to workspace. I'll refresh the web page. Once if I refresh the web page, now the report is available here. So here if you see, just now I published it. Okay, so just click on this report. So here, that's what. So as I discussed earlier, all the pages here it is displaying. That I don't want to do, because here it is displaying means it is not useful for us. Okay, so if we apply page level security, it is not useful. Okay, it's a waste of our time. So for this, what I will do, I'll go to Power BI desktop. I'll hide every page. Okay, I'll hide every page. So I'll hide central region, north, south, Austria, Belgium, and everything except home page. I'll hide all pages. Denmark, Finland, Ireland, and Norway, Sweden, UK, Italy, Portugal, and Spain. So this what I will do, I'll close this. Yeah, I'll delete this page. So okay, now here what I will do, I hidden all the pages except home page. So now what I will do, I'll republish. I'll save and I'll republish to the page level security workspace. It will ask overwrite. Okay, click on replace. So now report is publishing. Let's wait. Now report published successfully. Okay. Now before going to the Power BI service, what we will do, we can test one more time in the desktop, because we added action to this button also. So for this, what I'll do this time, I'll take Santosh email ID, because he is a regional manager. So as I said earlier, go to modeling, click on this view as role. In the view as role, in this window, select other user and select PLS. Here paste his email ID. Once if you paste his email ID, click on OK. Once if you click on OK, now it is automatically filtered to the regions. Only here now we are able to view regions only. Okay. So now what I'll do is, for example, I want to see South region performance. So just I'll select South region. What I will do, I'll click on this. So in desktop, if you want to navigate, if you want to use any actions, press control in your keypad and click control click. Once if you click, now it is automatically navigated to the South region. So now how we will go back? So for that region, already here I implemented a one back button. Okay, if I click this, I'll show you. Already if I click this back button, in the action I selected page navigation, and the page is name is home. So already here I implemented a page navigation button. So what I will do, I'll click control click. I'll use control click and I came to the home page. Now my requirement is I want to see only central region. So I selected central region and I'll click. Once if I click, it will navigate to the central region. Here if you see Tata new sales report central region performance, this page. So now I'll go back. So this is how we can test our RLS roles before publishing into the services. We can have this feature. In this feature, by using this feature, we can test this RLS roles. Just stop this viewing. Already we published this report into the services. Now we will go to the services. We will go and we will refresh web page once. Once if I refresh web page, now it will open without this side page window. Okay, it will see. Now there is no side page window. Now we are able to see only home page. So before checking that, what I need to show you, go to this workspace, page level workspace. Here whatever the roles we created in the Power BI desktop, for that roles we need to assign a user principal name. User principal name nothing but email ID. So here you have report and you have semantic model. In the semantic model, click on these three dots. In the three dots, you have lot of options. In this lot of options, just click on this security. What? Click on this security option. Once if you click on security option, whatever the role we created, PLS, page level security, is presented here. So here currently it is showing 0. Now what we will do, we will add these three people email IDs. First Santos, okay, then Suresh, okay, then Mahesh. So I added all these three people's email IDs here and click on add and click on save. So now here if you see, initially it was 0, now 3. 3 means we added 3 people to this role. People or groups belong to this role. Here we can add AID groups also, Azure Active Directory group also, or else we can add individual email IDs also. It's depending upon the client requirement. So now we will go to the workspace. In the workspace, now we will go step by step. First what we will do, we will see what page Mahesh is able to view. See, these all people are my colleagues. That's why I got those credentials. So now I'll test. So first what I will do, I'll go here and I'll see. Yes, this is Mahesh account. See, this is Mahesh. He is the client. He will be able to view only overview page. Let's see what it. First, let me refresh the web page because we applied some RLS in the Power BI services. That's why I am refreshing this web page. After the refresh web page, click on this sales report. Okay. Now it is opening. See, now here as a Mahesh, I am able to view only overview page in the home page. Okay. So now there is no other page. Just select this page and click on this action. Once if I click on this action, I navigated to this Tata new sales report overview performance. This is the overview performance. So now as our discussion, so Mahesh is only able to view overview page and he can't able to see remaining pages. Okay. So where is this one? Okay. Now I'll go back. and I'll click on page level security. So here, so as discussed earlier, here the page level security is implementing correctly. So Mahesh is only able to see overview page. Okay, next, what is next? I think Santosh. Yeah, this is Santosh. I opened in one more tab as a Santosh login user. Now I'll refresh this page. So after refreshing, if suppose if I open this report, Santosh able to view only three pages. What are those three pages? We have three regions. What are those three regions? We have central, north, south. Okay, we have central, north, south. So here, so we are viewing as a Santosh page. So click on this sales report. Once if we click on this sales report, it is opening. So now here if you observe, he is only able to view three regions. Okay, so because here what it is doing, that user principal name is capturing this email id, and here it is showing only these three pages. Suppose I want to view only north, just I'll select north, and here I'll click on this button. So if I click on this button, it will navigate to the north region sales. See here, Tata new sales report north region. So I'll click back. Suppose if I want to see central region, I'll select central and I'll click on the action. So now it is navigated to the central region sales report. Now I'll click on the back. Okay. Now what we will do now, the last person is Suresh. Suresh is able to view only 15 countries pages. So for that what we will do, we will go to this page. In this tab I sign in as a Suresh user. I sign in with Suresh credentials. Now what I will do, before opening the report, I'll refresh this tab. Okay, once if I will refresh this tab, then I'll click on this report. So I'll click on this report. Now the report is loading. So now report is loaded. Now here if you see, only country pages are available. Okay, in this table also, here you can observe, according to that user principal name, it is showing Suresh email id only. So now what I will do, I want to go to view Germany sales. I'll click on this Germany in the slicer, and I'll click on this action. Once if I click on this action, it is navigated to the Germany sales report. Just click on this go back button. Now I want to see Spain details. I'll select the Spain here and I'll click on action. So now it is navigated to the Spain sales report page. So now I'll click on this back button. Now finally I want to view UK details. I'll select UK and I'll click action. Now it is navigated to the UK sales report. So as per our requirement, Suresh is able to view only country specific details, as he is a all country sales manager. Okay. So now, as we said, discussed earlier, so according to that, Mahesh is only able to view overview page, and Santosh is only able to region pages, and Suresh is only able to view country pages. So now I'll go to this one here. See, Mahesh is only able to view this overview page. So this is about page level security. So what I will do, I will give you a recap here. So first here, what we did, actually we created a separate reports for separate regions and separate countries, and one overview page also. Later we created a role here. Okay, later we created a role, and we assigned this user email id to that role, and later we created one slicer and one table chat, and here we created one action button also. Once if it is completed, we published this into the services. In the services, what I did, I granted access to these three people in the security option, and I given access also as a workspace viewer. After that, I went to this page and I log in with Mahesh credentials, and when I open this report, I am able to view this overview page. And if I open this report with Santosh credentials, and I am able to view only region sales, and if I open this report with Suresh credentials, and I am able to see only country wise details. Okay, so now I'll come to the desktop. So this is kind of a demo video, that's why I didn't do any formattings. But in real time, what you need to do Here you can, in this home page, clearly mention that welcome to this home page. Kindly click on respective page and select and click on this page navigation button. Like that you can put some text here, and this table I mentioned here for your reference, but in real time don't use this table, just put it this, and you can use this new slicers. You can specify this as a blocks and make it beautiful. Okay, because of this demo session it will take more time do all formatting settings. That's why I went with this basic level formatting settings. So in real time you can do a proper formatting settings. So this is about page level security. I hope all you are clear now. So I request everyone, please practice this video. It is a very important question for Power BI interviews, as well as in real time also. Who knows, client may ask this kind of requirements. At that time, if you practice now, at that time you can build this type of page level security with a confidence. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share this video. Please subscribe KSR Data Vision YouTube channel. So thank you all. We'll meet you in the next video.